I'm going to factor the binomial on the screen. And this is actually a difference of cubes because I am able to rewrite both of these terms as something to the third power minus something to the third power. So for the first term, 4 to the third power is 64. Now, if I have x to the sixth, that means I have x squared to the third power, which is what would get me that x to the sixth. So 4x squared is what I have in the parentheses. When it's raised to the third power, we have 64x to the sixth. That's going to be my a value. Since the second term is just 1, 1 to the third power is 1. So I have a b value of 1. Now I tried to explain this in another video. I'm going to use what I call the SOAP formula. It's the difference of cubes. What you want to do first is just fill in your a's and your b's. It's the same pattern whether it's a sum or a difference of cubes. And then the SOAP acronym is what helps me fill in the signs. So the signs go same, opposite, always positive. Same meaning the same as the problem in front of me. So since this is a difference of cubes, the same would be minus, so that's the first sign I fill in. O stands for opposite, so that would be a plus. Always positive is the a and the p, so I'm putting a plus sign on b squared. So now I fill it in. A is 4x squared, b is 1. So I start with 4x squared minus 1, that would be a minus b. Now a squared, I'm having to square 4x squared. So I'll worry about that in my last step. Plus a times b would be 4x squared times 1. Plus b squared, b is 1, so 1 squared is 1. Now the last thing I need to worry about is squaring 4x squared. You need to make sure you do 4 squared and x squared squared. So you would end up with 16x to the fourth. Now I'm actually not done yet. I have a problem here, and that is that I have 4x squared minus 1, which is a difference of squares. Hopefully you are able to recognize a difference of squares. I did this with my class about a month ago. 4x squared is a perfect square, 1 is a perfect square, so I can actually keep going. The square root of 4x squared would be 2x. The square root of 1 is 1. And then you just put opposite signs. It doesn't matter which one comes first. And now I can bring down the rest of it.